channel. Today we are going to know about some GK questions and the answers. Before going into the class, please subscribe, share and like our channel. Let's go to our topic. First question is, who invented the vaccine for the first time? Option A, Robert Koch. Option B, Leeuwenhoek. Option C, Edward Jenner. Option D, Louis Pasteur. The answer is option A, Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner invented the vaccine for the first time. Second one, the word vaccine came from the word vacuum. What is the meaning of vacuum? Option A, cow. Option B, goat. Option C, monkey. Option D, dog. The answer is option A, cow. Who invented X-ray? Option A, Madame Curie. Option B, Rand John. Option C, Thomas Koch. Option D, Newton. The answer is option B, Rand John. Rand John invented the X-ray for the first time. ECG finds the faults of option A, brain. Option B, heart. Option C, liver. And option D, bones. Answer is option B, heart. Fifth question. Who invented monoclonal antibodies? Option A, Barbara McClintock. Option B, Kohler and Milstein. Option C, Crick and Watson. Option D, Actroloni. The answer is option B, Kohler and Milstein. Milstein invented monoclonal antibodies for the first time. Sixth question. Normally, how many types of antibodies are there? Option A, 4 types. Option B, 5 types. Option C, 3 types. Option D, 2 types. The answer is option B, 5 types. There are 5 types of antibodies in our body. Seventh one. In allergies, this type of antibodies will present more. Option A, IgM. Option B, IgD. Option C, IgA. And option D, IgE. Answer is option D, IgA. This type of IgE will present more in antibodies, will present in allergies. Eighth question. Which of the following is called oral polio vaccine, OPV? Option A, Salk vaccine. Option B, Sabin vaccine. Option C, DPT vaccine. Option D, TAB vaccine. The answer is option B, Sabin vaccine. Sabin vaccine is also called as oral polio vaccine, OPV. Ninth question. Which of the following vaccines are called triple vaccine? Option A, TAB. Option B, DPT. Option C, BCG. And option D, HIV. The answer is Option B, DPT. DPT is called as triple vaccine. 10th question. Which of the following is used to store vaccine? Option A, thimerosal. Option B, monosodium glutamate. Option C, pinaxethyl. Option D, formaldehyde. The answer is thimerosal. Option A. 11th question. Antibodies are made by these cells. Option A, T cells. Option B, NK cells. Option D, B cells. And option D, lymph cells. The answer is option C, B cells. 12th question. Which of the following is not a diagnostic imaging? Option A, X-ray. Option B, CAT scan. Option C, ultrasound scan. And option D, ECG. The answer is option D, ECG. ECG is not an diagnostic imaging. 13th question. Which is called as secretory antibodies? Option A, IgA. Option B, IgM. Option C, IgE. Option D, IgG. The answer is option A, IgA. IgA is called as secretory of antibodies. Here I will give a small question. WHO announces that this country is polio free. Comment me in this answer in the comment section. Okay, bye. This is for this today. For more updates, subscribe my channel and share my channel. Bye.